So hi guys, this is Raymark from Ligaron Extreme. So karon ubani ko ninyo atong i-full ride ang Ligaron Extreme track, no? So atong testingan og pilay makuha natong running time from starting line to finish line. So this is my first ride sa 2026. So wala pa ko'y practice ani na bag-o na dalan na nahimo namo. So tan-awon lang nato unsay dagan ani karon. So tiwasan ninyo ni video kay kabalo kung malingaw mo. Alright, let's go. Go guys, 2026 first ride. Hinay yata guys, hindi pa kabisado na ito ng lalan na rin. So hinay lang ta. Medyo nagubasa ng dalan guys, nag-rain. So sikat na guys. And another sikaron. Berm jump. Safe lang. Woo! Buba kayong dalan guys. Ulan pero bat still on fire. The berm. Woo! Another sikaron. Oops. So berm. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Jump. Okay guys. Option na ta kay hinay. Hinay. This is the big jump. Jump back. Perfect. Berm. Back. Woo! Up mo. This is the finish line. Woo! So, dali lang siya guys. So that was the ride, no? Woo! Kapoy kayo. It's almost from starting line to finish nasa 2 minutes kapin. So if kaya pa nato, mas pa move on pa natong oras. So see you sa next ride na ako. Woo!